What's up, guys? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. If you're maybe on the lookout for the next big Bitcoin layer 2 gem, PEXB might be the one you do not want to overlook. This project is definitely picking up momentum fast, and within Bitcoin scaling heating up, it's definitely positioning itself as a serious contender. With that being said, guys, in today's update, I will cover what's new with Pexebel, why the hype keeps growing, and what makes it stand out from the rest of the Layer 2 crowd. Alright, guys, we all remember what Pepe did, right? It launched with nothing but pure meme energy and still managed to run 200x in just a few months. Now take that same viral power and put it on Bitcoin Layer 2 with faster and cheaper transactions and the security of the most trusted chain in the entire market. And that is exactly what PEXB is lining up to, with the spirit of Pepe that's been rebuilt on Bitcoin rails with massive potential. Most meme coins today are just carbon copies without soul, but PEXB is definitely bringing something completely different. It's got this whole ancient storyline with Pepe returning as the king of Pexebel and the community unlocking treasures, maps, and mystery eggs every time someone joins the pre-sale. It's all tied together with gamification, NFTs, and staking, and it's built directly on the Bitcoin chain while BTC itself is pushing for new highs. The eggs carry random rewards and power, the lore keeps people hooked, and the pre-sale feels more like an adventure than a token sale. That mix of narrative, timing, and technology gives PEXB a shot at becoming one of the most unique meme plays of this cycle, and when you look at the numbers, it gets even more interesting. Right now, the token is sitting at just 0.0027 with a planned listing price of $1.20 in Q4 of 2025. If you're not sure about the math, that is roughly a 444x setup if it hits the target. To put it in perspective, a $100 entry at today's price could be worth over $44,000 by listing, and a $1,000 entry could stretch past $400,000. When you line all this up with strong narrative, timing, and the community like PEXB has, that is exactly where the real breakout potential lies. And what makes this setup even more exciting is the fact that the treasure rewards are built straight into the roadmap. Every milestone reached stacks bigger rewards, which means the earlier you're in, the more phases you will pass through and the more bonuses you will collect. Right now, every holder gets an instant 5% bonus in PEXB, and as the rise grows, the rewards scale up. At $10 million raised, holders will unlock 10,000 Pepe. At $20 million, it jumps to 20,000 Dodge, and at the 30 million, the community shares a legendary 5 BTC prize. As you can see, guys, they've already cleared 5 million and are pushing toward the first 10 million milestone fast. Staked incentives are a very smart way to keep early buyers motivated, and it adds another layer of FOMO that could push this pre-sale even harder as the goals get closer. And guys, on top of those treasure rewards we talked about, now there are also massive weekly airdrops happening right now. They're giving away a full 1 million PEXB literally every week, but these airdrops can end anytime, so timing is key here. All you have to do is follow Pexebel, like, repost, tag 3 friends, and drop your Ethereum wallet to join. I like this very much because it can grow the community super fast, and it can spread awareness across socials right when a pre-sale needs the most momentum. That kind of exposure can literally be a game changer heading into listings, and if that wasn't already wild enough, guys, the staking rewards are on a whole other level. Right now, PEXB is offering a 5,572% APY, which means that your tokens can grow 56x in just 1 year with compounding. To give you an example, staking 1,000 PEXB at today's pre-sale price at 0.0027 is worth about $2.70. But after a year, that same stake could turn into 56,000 PEXB, and at the planned listing price of $1.20, that is literally over $67,000. And to add even more fuel to the fire, this project is already getting coverage on major crypto news sites and popping up across YouTube and X with the Pexebel tag literally everywhere. All the big influencers and communities are also backing it, and the socials are constantly active with updates and announcements. That being said, if you want to keep up in real time, their X account and Telegram are the best places to start, so be sure to become a part of it all and get the best deal before it's too late. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.